Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation with Geetha. In the previous video, we understood what Python automation is and how it can save a lot of time. In this video, I will show you how to install Python and VS Code and also how to fix common issues that beginners will face while installing the Python. Even if you already installed Python, this video will help you verify and fix the errors. Let's get started. To start Python automation, we need only three things. First thing, Python programming language. Second thing, a code editor. We will use Visual Studio Code. Third, a test to confirm everything is working fine. Okay, I will show everything step by step now. First we will install Python. Go to browser. Type python.org. Always download Python from the official website, that is python.org. Click on downloads and choose the latest stable version. Okay, automatically it will start downloading. Once the download completes, just double click on this file. It will ask for next steps. Just click next. It will install successfully. But while installing Python, there is one very important option. You must select add Python to path before clicking install. Okay. This option allows us to run Python from the command prompt. I have installed Python in my computer already, so I will not wait for the downloads and installation. If you face any issues while installing, comment in the comment section. I will help. Okay. Now I am going to command prompt. Now let's verify whether the Python is installed correctly or not. I will type Python -V. If you see a message like Python was not found, don't get panic. This is a very common Windows issue. Now type py-0. This command shows all installed Python version. As you can see, Python 3.10 is installed and then CPython 3.14.3 is installed in my system. Now I will type py-version. So this confirms Python is installed correctly. Okay. On Windows system, instead of using the Python command like this, we often use py command. So if Python does not work, always try py. This is completely normal and it's not an error. Okay. Now Python is installed successfully in my system. Now second thing, as we know, VS Code editor. So go to browser. So this is the official website code.visualstudio.com to download Visual Studio Code. I recommend Visual Studio Code because it is a free, lightweight and beginner friendly. So go to official website, just click on download for Windows button. It will start downloading. Open until download completes and just double click. VS Studio Code will be installed successfully. Then open Visual Studio Code. Okay. I will create one new file. Select Python file, save. I will give example. I am saving it on desktop. Save. It is saved. Okay. I will type one print statement. Python automation setup success. Okay, this is my print statement. Save. Open command prompt. Okay, so change the directory to desktop because I have saved example.py file on desktop. Now type py example file name .py, enter. So if you see this output, Python automation setup success, congratulations, your Python and VS Code setup is working perfectly. If Python command does not work, use py. Okay. If VS Code does not run the code, install the Python extension. So these are the Python extensions. If you face any issues, comment below. I will help you. Okay. In next video, we will start our first real Python automation project. We will automate Excel step by step. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to Automation with Geetha. See you in the next video. Thank you.